Understanding the phrase, hose end. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, and it is the phrase, hose end. Now, this might seem like a straightforward term, but we're going to dive deep and ensure that by the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what it means and how to use it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let's break down the phrase, hose end, into two parts to understand each word separately. The word, hose, refers to a flexible tube designed to carry fluids from one location to another. The word, end, refers to the final part of something, or its extremity. When combined, hose end generally refers to the end part of a hose. This could be where the water or other fluid comes out, or it could refer to a fitting or attachment that is placed on the end of a hose to serve a particular function. There are various types of hose ends available, and they serve different purposes. Let's go through some of the common types. 1. Spray nozzle. This is a popular hose end that allows you to control the flow and pattern of the water. 2. Quick connect. This type of hose end is designed for easy attachment and detachment of different hose accessories. 3. Hose mender. If your hose gets a tear or a leak, a hose mender can be used to connect the two ends back together. 4. Shutoff valve. This type of hose end allows you to stop the flow of water without having to go back to the faucet. Understanding the type of hose end and its specific function can greatly enhance its utility in different scenarios. Choosing the right hose end depends on various factors, including the type of hose you have and what you intend to use it for. Here are some tips. 1. Check the size. Ensure that the hose end you are choosing fits the size of your hose. 2. Consider the material. Hose ends come in various materials such as plastic, brass, and metal. Choose one that suits your needs and budget. 3. Think about the function. Consider what you will be using the hose for and choose a hose end that suits that purpose. And that's a wrap on our discussion about hose end. We hope this video has helped clarify what this phrase means and how you can choose the right hose end for your needs. Remember, the right hose end can make your gardening or cleaning tasks much easier and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video, and happy gardening!